is all about celebrating the unique beauty, strength, and spirit of our community. From the heart of Matiyatuya, we are here to witness the elegance and charisma of our talented candidates. My name is Emmanuel Kimora, and it's an honor to be your host for tonight, alongside my wonderful co-host, the fabulous Marian Joy Peña.
Taray, totoo ba yan? Charot.
Yes naman po.
Okay, good evening everyone. We are beyond excited to be part of this spectacular event. We've got a fantastic lineup of performances, beautiful candidates, and of course, the crowning of the next Miss Gay Matiyatuya Bagong Sibol 2024. So without further ado, let's begin this memorable evening with a prayer asking for guidance and blessings as we come together to celebrate this special occasion.
May I request everyone to please all stand up?
Inaanyayahan po namin ang lahat na tumayo para sa isang panalangin.
So, at this moment, let us all bow our heads and welcome SK Kagawad Menard Quinto to lead us in the opening prayer.
Magsitayo po tayo at damhin natin ang presensya ng ating Panginoon. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa mga biyayang iyong ipinagkakaloob sa amin sa araw-araw. Gayon din po sa maayos na panahon at pagkakataon upang maisagawa po namin ang Matiyatuya Miss Gay Bagong Sibol. Panginoon, patawarin niyo po kami sa aming mga pagkukulang at pagkakasala. Ito man po ay sa hinihiling po namin ang iyong pag-ayusan ng aming gawain ngayon. Sa bawat na nandito ngayon, gayon din po ito ay samot dalangin namin sa
Anthem.
To officially open, let us unity. Please welcome the barangay Captain Merlino Regino for a round of applause.
Ang sangguniang barangay Matiyatuya ay bumabati sa lahat ng mga ating pong panauhin na andyan po na ex-councilor ay bahay ito mga nagagandang mga kalahok ay Bagong Sibol 2000 bilang isang barangay, labis akong komunidad. Ang mga ganitong selebrasyon ay patunay na ang pagkakay, respeto at pagmamahalan tunay na nagiging bahagi ng ating. Ito ay isang selebrasyon ng talento at siyempre ang kagandahan. Di, kilos at kwento nyo ang pagiging LGBTQIA+, ang lakas na nagdadala ng inspirasyon at pagbabago sa ating komunidad. Ang proyekto nito ay hindi lamang sa kompetisyon at kasiyahan, kundi isang palaala ng bawat isa sa atin ay mahiling at pahalagahan. Sa lahat ng kalahok, sa inyong tapang at determinasyon, ang bawat isa sa inyo ay taglay ang kakaibang ganda at talento na tiyak magpapasaya sa atin. Sa mga manonood, ipakita natin ang ating buong suporta at palakpak sa ating mga kandidata. Muli po, magandang gabi po, and I thank you.
Yeah! Alright, ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Again, isang malakas at gagawing palakpakan para kay Kapitana! Diyos ko, nabibigol na ang inyong MC. Pasensya na po kayo. First time ko po mag-host ng pageant na ganito. Usually birthday lang, o diba? Kabog. Okay, ayan, sige po.
So our next segment is very important one. So the introduction of our esteemed panel of judges for tonight's competition. So this individual has dedicated their time and expertise. Pageant is fair and meaningful celebration of time. Let's meet the board of the judges. Now let's start. From Sir Jess Brion.
Okay, our first registered nurse, licensed professional teacher, public nurse 3 of LGU Torrijos, currently part-time senior high school teacher of OMSA. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Briones! Palakpakan naman natin si Sir. O, diba? Sinong hindi makakakilala kay Sir Jess? Once again, isang malakas sa palakpakan! Madam people, parinig naman! Ayun! Alright, next, our second judge is none other than Scarlett Gonzalo.
Miss Scarlett Gonzalo, Bachelor of Arts, majoring English Language at Marinduque State University. She is currently working on a second language teacher of Japanese national. She is a member of the gay organization, the director of the LGBT Marinduque Federation, and an advance for LGBT right. She is a freelance hair and makeup artist and a co-owner of Gonzalo's Image Stylist. A fashion designer and a pageant enthusiast, she won the title of different gay beauty pageant in various towns and she won Gay Super Serena 2018, Queen of Marinduque's Kalikasan 2018, Miss Gay Queen of the East 2019, finalist in Santa Lucia Mall, Miss Segura 2020, Marinduque Queen of Queens 2023, second runner-up, top 6 of Battle of Queens of Manatown Center, Cavite.
Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, Scarlett Gonzalo. Palakpakan.
Our third judges. Let's call on Mr. Romeo Mata.
was the Provincial Information Agency Marinduque of Marinduque News Network and a professor at the Marinduque University. Mr. recognized as one of the Marinduque's most respected, dedicated himself to bringing relevant, current and credible information to the province. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Romeo A. Matac Jr. Palakpakan siya. Next, our fourth judge is Mr. Andrew Leante.
Sir Mr. Liante ay nagtapos sa MSc sa kursong Bachelor of Science, Major kasalukuyan siyang isang freelance portrait artist, mural artist. Isa siyang Visual Arts and Production Unit ng Torrejos. Na-awardan din siya bilang isa sa kauna-unahang painting artist sa kanilang lugar sa Barangay Tigwe. In-representing niya ang kalalawigan ng Marinduque sa larangan ng pagpunta. Sa kauna-unahang lumaban siya sa national competition, poster making contest ang ikalawang pwesto. Sa ang ikalawang pwesto pa rin. Once again, Mr. Paul Andro Liante. Please give her a round of
naman natin
applause.
yun. Okay, syempre, our last judge. Sigurado naman akong kilala nyo ito at lagi nyo itong nakikita nitong patimpalak. Alright, our last judge is none other than Sir Eric Maglakas. Wow, ang dami ng fans ni Sir Eric is a dance choreographer of Sinagkultura, singing at galing ng Torrejos chairperson, a MAPE teacher too, at Matiyatuya. Once again, our last judge, none other than Mr. Eric Maglakas. Grabe, nakikita ko pa lang yung lineup ng ating mga judges. Kinakabahan na ako kahit hindi kandidat. Thank you very much po. Pwede na po tayong umupo sa inyong designated. Now that we've met our distinguished panel of judges, let's take a moment to understand how our candidates will be evaluated tonight. To represent the criteria for judging, please welcome the chairperson of Board of Judges, Mr. Eric Maglakas.
Hello. Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ay ipapresent ko sa inyo ang criteria for judging in each category po. Okay, ang ating category 1 is production number. Stage presence and production numbers 30%, mastery 30%, projection 30%, and audience impact 10%. A total of 100 sa production number. And audience impact 10%. Next category is casual attire. Stage presence 30% and bearing 40%. Design 20% and audience impact 10%. Sports attire, poise and bearings 30%. Appropriateness of dress 30%. Stage presence 30% and audience impact 10%. Total of 100%. Talent, uniqueness, malaki po ito, 50%. Overall performance and stage presence 25%. And also, we have the audience impact, 10%, a total of 100%. Long gown, design and fitting, 20%. Stage deporting, 30%. Poise and bearing, 40%, and audience impact, 10%. The total of 100%. Question and answer, wit and content, 40%. Stage presence, 20%. Projection and delivery, 30%. And audience impact, 10%. A total of 100%.
Down to 5, tapos ito maging criteria sa kanya.
Okay, and after po ng mga category na yan, ay magseselect po tayo ng top 5 doon sa 10 candidates po natin. And then after po nun, we'll proceed back to 0. Doon sa 5 contestant po natin na mapipili, ay magbabalik tayo sa 0. And ito po ang criteria natin for our top 5. Ito po yung Q&A, final talaga po na to, yung Q&A. Beauty, 20%, Q&A, 70%, and total of 100%. Doon po natin kukunin ang mga major award, yung koronahan po natin na 3. Magkakaroon ng corona na 3. And then, yan po, ang total of 100%. Yun lang po, and thank you, and good luck, candidates, sa inyo. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Eric. Ayan, nako, narinig niyo po ba, madlang people? Yes. Okay, ayan, ngayon po ay i-request po namin yung ating mga judges na mag-prepare po ng tigta-tatlong question each po para sa ating mga candidate mamaya. Maraming salamat po.
And now, let the show begin. It's time for the production of the candidates. Watch as these beautiful individuals take confidence and charm. Let's give them, as they make the entrance, let's give them a round of applause.
Isang masigabong palakpakan, madlang people! Okay, ready nyo nang i-cheer yung mga bet nyo, ha?
Hiya, Bobby. You wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Dan!
Girl, in the Barbie world, life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me, imagination.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a block in the air, in the fantasy world. Every time I'm traveling. You can touch
walang Barbing nagsasalita. Geraldine Solueta, 16, representing Barangay Banao, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Ash Maxine Marquez, 18, Santa Cruz.
Hello, hi, mabuhay. Maria Casado Road, Avenues, 20, Barangay, Sibuyao.
Franzen Mantal de los Santos, 18, Malbago. Maria Maxine Jade Lauresta, 18, proudly represent Municipality of Santa Cruz. Viceian Rosales, 17 years old, congratulations!
Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever you please. I can act like a star, I can beg on my knees.
Come jump in, be my friend. Let us do it again. In the town, fool around. Let's go party.
You can touch,
Kate Lasso, 15, from the municipality of
if you say, I'm always yours.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Hello. Okay, nag-enjoy ba kayo, Madam People? Grabe! Simula pa lamang po yan at marami pa kayong makikita maya-maya lamang. Oh, wala ko nasabi ng partner.
Wala talaga.
Speechless ako. Parang gusto ko na lang maging manonood kesa magsalita dito sa harap.
So while the judges deliberate, let's enjoy an exciting intermission number from our special guest performer from Santa Cruz Guest Performer.
Palakpakan naman natin ang ating guest performer ngayong gabi from Santa Cruz!
Ay, nako. Ayan, kasi ang hihilig kasi. Ay, nako. Ayan, kasi ang hihilig kasi sa magagandang lalaki. Ang hilig sa maganda babae. Ano na pala nyo? Eh di wala. Kaya po ako sa inyo, makinig na lang kayo sa sasabihin ko. Sumanap ka ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay. Yan ang dapat mong gawin. Kaya makinig ka sa akin and we go sa little something like this. Gusto mong lumigaya ang iyong buhay. Sumanap ka na ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay. Isa ang pangit na talagang di mo matigap. At huwag ang lalaki na iyong pangarap. Kung bakit ko sinabi ko hindi lang pagkapag-aral ng lalaki ay nakalaro lang ng iyong oras. Pagod hirap, kasalamin, handang imanaghanap ka sa sandali. Na ikaw ay wala nang ibigay, di ba? Kaya pangit na lalaki ang hanapin mo dahil. Kung hindi, sige ka, puso, di mag-ibiyak. Mawala man ang pangit, hindi ka iiyak. Kumanap ka ng pangit, huwag na ulit. Kumanap ka ng pangit, huwag na ulit. Kumanap ka ng pangit, huwag na ulit. Bigyan mo tunay.
Gising mo lang, kaya ipasa mo sa kanan o sa kaliwa. Wala ka sa aking kama, lahat nagagawa. 24 oras ako dito nakatulala. Iisip ko sa pinila ko, tinitingala. Ay, suwa-suwa. Can you blow my mind? Set up the whole body. If I give you my time, can you take my soul from me? I don't want to take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set up the whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder.
You ready?
Boy, true. Tell the girl them up browning. All the girl them a run bleach. Cause them want brown skin. All the girl them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach, they look like a brown. Them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach, they look like a browning. Girl me honor you. Because they look like a browning. Girl me honor you. And you no bleach. Okay, because they look like a browning. 90% of the girl. Every girl nowadays, them want brown skin. So push up on. Then them want the color of the pumpkins. Them a bleach, they look like. Down them skin, them a bleach, them a bleach, them a bleach. DJ, you want the girl them DJ? My brand, yeah, power. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, make it one more time. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, give me the wine. Give me the wine, make it one more time. Tikiyana, tikiyana, tikiyana. You got the body, it's Italiana. You're hotter than the steam, but in this. On the bike, you're the katana. You know regular la. Shit, Coca-Cola, the car walking on your. From far. This my girl, them know.